Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always supporting me in this particular channel. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across this channel or you are seeing my face for the first time, I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. Remember, in this channel, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So just sit back and enjoy this video, and I will be right back.
And Mazi, please, because these are one of the reasons why some of these mad people are insinuating that cannot have come and you have hijacked IPOB and so on and so forth, blah blah. But Mazi, is it IPOB leadership that appointed you to play that role, or you are playing it as a family concern by handling the legal team? And please, Mazi, I also want you to clarify it. Are you talking about the legal team in Kenya or the legal team of Mazi NNAMDI KANU at large, including the one in Biafraland?
Now I'm talking about the legal team of Mazi NNAMDI at large. The leader is aware of it. He is my brother, and I will give instructions to most of the lawyers. Not these people the way they are thinking. They cannot give lawyers instruction to do something because when they come out, they talk from both sides of their mouth. They don't know how the legal system functions. Sometimes they all assume that they know something. I am here. You give them instruction to act. And at the time, they need the consent even of the person they're acting for. That's how it functions. And the most of them, like I said, they are trying to kill an ant with a sledgehammer. You can see what they are doing. Saying that when this wife and the children are suffering, that they don't have food to eat, they want to do fundraising. So can you imagine when they are responsible with the legal teams, what do you think that will happen? And if you can see this kind of people who are talking like children, babies, they are gossiping from one place to another. Why do you think that such a sensitive position should be handed over to them? It is not possible. Nobody can do it. I said before, it was exactly what happened in 2015-16. It is not going to repeat itself again. That is why I am responsible. It has nothing to do with the leadership of IPOB for the avoidance of doubt. People are so doubt in the brain. You speak to them, they'll pick what they pick and leave the rest. And they go out, and fools will sit down and be listening to them when they talk their crap. Sometimes I ask my people, don't you people have brain? Can't you people see it anymore? That I am in charge of legal proceedings in the whole case. What has that got to do with leadership of IPOB? Has that got anything to do with leadership of IPOB? The answer is no. But some people are taking this out, talking as if the legal issues border to the leadership, issue. These are two different things. This is legal, this is leadership. Like if you can listen to the audio that was played 2 days ago. One man was saying that in his broadcast, that was last year, that DOS is the governing body, that Madam Anna is in charge of finance, and when she calls you, you know that there is problem. That there are other issues, reconciliation, which is led by Mazi Nzurumike. There are and so what is the problem? I have been doing a lot of legal issues, not only the one involving our leader today, even making sure that most of our people who are in detention are being released. I involve in all these things, but people don't hear about it. I don't tweet about it. I tweet sometimes, but if those news comes up, I will hand it over to the media and say, please write something about it. These are the things I do. but people don't see it. So it has nothing to do with the leadership of IPOB. And what
So
I do not.
are you saying now, Mazi, that if anything should go wrong on our leader's case, Biafra should hold you responsible in the legal,
Yes, they can.
aspect?
Yes, they can. I am making sure that everything works. But what Nigerian government decide to do in their court, they don't hold me responsible, because we know they don't obey the rule of law. They don't even obey their own court orders. What am I trying to say? If we go today, they said that a judgment has been passed. NNAMDI KANU, our leader, should be released from prison. My own job is done. If the government
Then
decide to release him, that is a different thing altogether. But what I am believing is that we have to do justice to the case we're having. That is what I'm concerned, and not what people say. So that is different.
In this aspect, which role the leadership are playing concerning this very particular issue? Which role are they playing? Are they just facing the family alone, which is the IPOB family at large? Or are you still giving report to them? Or you are just working on your own?
We talk, they know what is happening. Nobody's working on his own. Everybody, they have contact to the lawyer. This is the issue of the lawyers. You just when you have a case between you and your brother, you are trying to settle it. The moment it goes to court, you don't need any middleman again to come in to settle the case, because it has gone to the court. But if it's something that is in the process, somebody can come in and say, oh, my brother, please leave this thing. There is no need for you to court your brother. These are two different things. So in this very case, what we are talking about is handling the legal matters to make sure things move the way it has to go. It's a coordination, because the people in Kenya knows what the one in UK is doing, what they are doing. The people in UK knows what the ones in Nigeria are doing. They are the same. And somebody has to coordinate that job. That is what I am doing. And there's nothing to talk about it, because you don't need 100 people to do the same job. Because they can only take instruction from one person, and not from 2 people, and not from 3 people.
Exactly. So in a nutshell, what you're saying now to Biafrans, for people not to take your words out of misquote you, or with their greed and so on, for them not to misquote you, what you're saying, you are the one handling the legal team under the same leadership.
Yes,
right?
What I'm doing is not different. Yes.
Thank you very much, Mazi.
It's not different. I am working under the structure that is played in IPOB. I communicate with Mazi the same and others. So there is nothing wrong in that. But if those ones who are making us outside think that KANU will allow them to come in after the things they've committed outside, that will not happen. I will not ask somebody, let me say it this way, that cuts my back to wash my back. It will not happen. You don't need to betray me 20 times before we leave you. If you betray me once, it's enough to tell me what you have in mind and what next you're going to do.
Thank you very much.
So the reason I brought this video is that some things has been going on for some time now, and there are some persons that are saying that KANU said he's the one in charge, not the DOS. And a lot of people don't really understand. They've been asking me the question in the comment section that what is going on? How did KANU said he is in charge of DOS, he said of DOS, and so many other thoughts. So I can't really answer all the question. That is why I went to look for this video for you to judge by yourself. This is an interview between KANU and Onajite. So I believe I've answered a lot of questions from some persons through this interview. So now you see the reason why KANU said he is in charge and what led to that statement. So thank you very much once again. I do appreciate. My word. That brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do wait to like this video, share and subscribe. The best thing for you to do is to join this family by smashing on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.